The plane washer is one of two flanges that secure the saw blade. It is the one closest to the gearbox. The washer can wear over time, which will cause the blade to wobble side to side. The diamond flange can wear, allowing for blade play. Replacing the plane washer is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the blade from the saw. The bolt is a reverse thread. With the blade removed, now I can remove the plane washer. It just slides off of the shaft. To install the new plane washer, I align it with the shaft and slide it into place. Now I can replace the blade. And remember, the threads on the bolt are reverse thread. And that's how easy it is to replace the plane washer on your circular saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.